Welcome to our first lesson in rhombus. So, first we'll see what is a rhombus. Just like a parallelogram. So, how you draw a parallelogram? So, these two lines are parallel. So, parallel means the distance between the two lines is same at any point. So, what is a rhombus? So, in rhombus, all the four sides are equal in length. First point is all the four sides are equal in length. And what happens this diagonal, is they are same? No, diagonals are not equal in length. Diagonal, because one diagonal will be shorter, one will be a little longer. Opposite angles of a rhombus are same. Opposite angles are same. What is opposite angle? This and this both same. What about this here? This also, these two opposite angles are same. First point, second. What is the third point? What is the area of the rhombus equal to product of the diagonals divided by 2? Suppose say it's ABCD. What is the area? Is equal to one diagonal is AC multiplied by DB divided by 2. It's product of the diagonal divided by 2. That is the area. When one of the angle is 90 degree, then it becomes a square. If angle D is equal to 90, then B also will become 90. Then other two angles are also equal. All then it become a square. These are the properties of the rhombus. So rhombus is a parallelogram where opposite sides are parallel and for rhombus it's all the four sides are of equal length. Next point is opposite angles of a rhombus are the same. So in this chapter we'll discuss how to draw a rhombus. Next we'll see how to draw a rhombus. We require at least two different parameters. If we know one side and length of the one side and diagonal, we can draw the rhombus. Or one side and angle. We know length of the diagonal or diagonal and one angle. Then we can draw. So we will see different way how we can draw. So we will just discuss one by one. The first one we will take. So this is simplest way. We will just one how what is this? So we will take the first case. No? How we will draw the rhombus. We know one side you draw length. Let us say length is A, and we know the. So let us take length of the side as A and diagonal is B. So let us mark this point ABCD, just for easier reference. Okay, let us take this point as capital A. This is B. Now with A, we will draw a arc, you know, arc like this. We draw. So we know A and this length of this is equal to diagonal. The diagonal C is its diagonal. So we know AC is equal to B. The length is given. Now it's given to draw a water proof. So let us take one side is A, one diagonal is B. Next, what is the distance between B and C? We know this is one side of the rhombus. This also is equal to A. With B as center, you will draw another arc equal to length A. Then, okay, let us mark this point A. Now we'll join these 2 points, AC and BC. Now AC is equal to diagonal, equal to B, and BC is equal to length A. So this is A, this is A. Now how to find out the next point D? We know with A as the center, for you draw one arc equal to A. From C as point you draw C. Now you join the point D. So what is the length of C T? This all length also is A. This length also is A. Now we have drawn ABCD rhombus. So what if one? Can you try the next one? How you will draw one side and one angle is given. One side is given. So all the four sides are same. Now you know the angles given. Let us take the angle as 70 or something like that. We know this angle is 70. You can draw a line. Now you mark point, A and B is equal to, let us say this is the point, equal to A. Now we know we can find out this point C. This equal to A. A to this C is A. You its center as A, cut the line with an arc equal to A. Now with you take the point C and point D. From point B and C, you draw two arcs in such a way, from two arcs for the length A. Now join these 2 points. We got a, so it will come like this. Okay. Yeah. What is the length? C is also equal to A. This is also equal to. First, we will draw the AB. Now use a protractor. Angle 70. You draw a line, and from with A as the base, use the arc cut for like A. From C, you draw one arc, and from B, you draw another arc, and the joint point you join this. This length also is equal to you. See the first diagram you see from A, you have to draw an arc for B from with the length B. From the point B, the arc is length is A. So we'll also clearly mark the small a we are length of one side, a side. This is diagonal. So with only diagonals, how we can draw? So I'll just show a sample. In the rhombus, diagonals cut each other 90 degrees. First, you draw. For example, similar to first problem we take. First, you draw AC. AC is equal to B. Let us take, okay? This is B. The other length of the diagonal, let us take it as E. What we will do? AC, first divide the line AC into two parts. Now, how we can do? You mark this point as O. Now you draw a perpendicular line. So diagonals of a rhombus cut each other at the center point, you know. So this is perpendicular. You draw a perpendicular with O as center. Now you know what is the length of the diagonal. So in this case, let us take AC is equal to E. What about BD is equal to F. So we'll draw the perpendicular, and from O we can cut these two portions. How? This is F by 2. Here it is F by 2. Now join all the points. You'll get the rhombus. Now we can measure it also. This is third example. Now we discuss one about how you will cut a line. We divide a line into two parts. First you draw a line. Let us take it as AB. If you want equally more than half, you have to take the length more than half, you make an arc from A, same length, from B with same length you cut, and with the same length you cut down also from B and also from A. So if you join these 2 points, the line will divide this line equally, and this will be perpendicular. In the perpendicular, first you draw the perpendicular line, and then from this point O, you take the exact measurement and cut it. This two like this. We know this one. This length is F by 2. This also F by 2 after this. So this point, it should be more than half, then only it will cut each other. Now, where is we have drawn uh, any line for cutting, you have to adopt this procedure. So we'll work on some more problems so that you'll get more clarity. To draw with one side on diagonal, say width 4 inches and diagonal 6. Steps we have given. Now draw a line AB with 4. Just I will show it. Please try actually using the instrument so that we will to draw one side is 4 inches and diagonal. So first draw a line 4 inches, draw an arc with 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 this point. Next from A for arc with arc 6 inches you draw. Let us take to this point. This is 6. Step 3 from point B you cut this line at C. Now the length is 4 inches. Next step is draw two arcs from A and C with 4 inches meeting at. So if you from here 4 inches and from C 4 inches and you draw. This is case number 1 what we have studied above. This is 4, this is 4. Then we get the other point. So join all the sides and mark them clearly. So please practice this diagram, first rough diagrams you prepare. And then with scales, actual scales you draw, so, and you can measure it. When only diagonals are given, you can measure the length of each side and check. You please try one or two problems. You take any measurement you like. Thank you. Please, the method of drawing is same, for rhombus, square, rectangle, circle. The basics is same. You should know from first step by step you build. You should know what is the angle or what is the distance that is perpendicular with equal length. If length is not equal, they will give you the information in the problem. Thank you.